Hello again people. Right, just got back from doing the horses and I can see these potential two setups that I did annotate on the charts actually played out. Now in a perfect world, we're looking at the M15 chart here, in a perfect world this would have just closed about here, had a little pullback there, and then we could have entered the trade there. As it was, it closed right down here. And I would like to have seen some sort of pullback, so I've put my vertical line on the next the new candle. So that was our confirmation there, 3 candle reversal, low high high, low high high, high low, lower high, continue until we get the close. Also, it wasn't the best looking setup because it was straight into the 30-minute level, and if I look on the 30, I don't think that did close below. Let's have a look. Oh yes, it did, but not on that 15-minute candle, the next 15-minute by the looks of it. Let's just move that over. Yeah, so it looks like it went down and hit that H1 level down there as well, and the H4. So yeah, in a perfect world we wanted a shallow reversal, pullback and continuation. As it was, if we'd have taken this based on the 5-minute and just blind on the 5-minute histo alert, that was the bust, that's the pullback, and that is the continuation. That is the entry candle there, the high of this candle there. So it would have got us in at that level there, and just take the spread off. So there's a 15 pip move there, less probably about 1.5 spread. I can't see it, yeah, 1.4. So there was a trade there. As a scalper, I will scalp it. It's a valid reversal. You should really wait for the pullback on the lower time frame and continue, but that's all in the previous videos. We've got the downtrend there as well, high, low, lower high, lower low, 1, 2, 3. As soon as that low's broken, you can clearly see there is a resistance level. It's resistance because it's created a new high. So the price has dropped below that resistance level there, which is always usually signified by the 15-minute reversal level anyway. That's what it is. So that was a valid reversal there. The other chart was NJ, almost identical looking by the looks of it. Yeah, you got the support there and here, in fact, that's created that whole uptrend that's been broken, pulled back, used as resistance, and then continued down. So it's almost identical by the looks of it candle wise. 3 candle reversal through the 15-minute level there. In fact, the 15-minute level, I got that wrong on that one, I think. Yeah, that's the 15-minute low there. Same reversal candle though, so it didn't really matter. Entry here using the 5-minute. There was the bust, there's the pullback, there's the break and close below the bust out. That was the entry. So the entry candle was this one here. Obviously a little bit of drawdown, 9 pips, and then 11 pip move. So as a scalper you would have got 2 or 3 or maybe 5 pips out of that. One thing that should be mentioned at this point, and I keep forgetting this, is you have to get in as early as you can on the move. Don't hesitate. Doesn't matter about time of day and stuff, because if you consider getting in at this stage, really and truthfully you've got to wait for the whole thing to do itself and wait for the 15-minute bust and break, which will happen over here. There's the bust out, pull back, then you want to break and close down, and then you can get the continuation. So, and it'll probably be below the hourly 8 EMA then as well, which is perfect. So still worth watching these for continuations to the downside. Probably might even continue sideways now to the Asian session. Shortly before I went out, I took a new DAX short based on the 5-minute. We've got a 3 candle reversal here on the 15-minute, low high high, low high high, and sing the song until you get the close below the 15-minute low. There's the 15-minute low there, that's the close. drop to the 5 minute, so it's identical to what I've just described in the AJ and NJ charts. There's your bust through the 0 level, there's your pullback, there's the continuation with another 3 candle reversal on here, even on the 5 minute, and then there's a 20 pip trade there. When I got back just now, I could see a 3 candle reversal had happened here. So and I'm looking at this and I can clearly see this is all accumulation of sell orders, and you've got the massive trend here, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. So that's swing 1, 2, 3. This is all part of swing 4. You can look at it on the 15 minute as well. You can clearly see there is massive discrepancy with no momentum to the long side, big momentum or bigger momentum to the downside, lots of room on the ADR as well. So plus on the 15 minute now we've got another big candle here, break and close through, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. All this support here as well broken. In fact, that's the highest high, so technically speaking we traded against a 15 minute. Looking at this closely now, well, I haven't even pulled the trade on the chart, have I? It went 20 pips so fast I didn't even get my manual take profit on it, so I just managed to close it with about 15 pips there. So looks tiny, the trade, but it was as you can see, it happened in one candle and started to pull back on itself straight away. So but that's based on the ADR, based on the 4 swings of the trend, based on higher time frame reversals. We're going right up to the H4 reversal has happened on this one here. Low, high, high, low, high, high. Can't really see it behind there. So lots of analysis done on this. That needed to be closed below that green level. It was, so that's an H4 reversal. Failed to watch the pullback, failed to reverse back on itself on H1, or it did reverse back on itself in fact, I think, but then it reversed back down again over here. This is the reversal level on H1, and then we've got the sideways, and then it was just a question of grabbing those 2 trades to the short side. So again, look, that's an even better picture of where the momentum is. No momentum to the long side, all the power is to the downside. That's that's how this RSI can be so useful to you. Thanks for watching, have a good afternoon. Once again, trades everywhere today.